Today I would like to say something new about the new concept that is implemented by my team, and it is like that my dream project. And this is my team 2. His name is Arun, his name is Suresh, Vamsi, Deepak, Santosh, and Shanu. So the concept is Project P. It is based on artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is nothing but the systems that is based on the artificial and machine learning. So we would like to give some demo and explain this concept.
Hello everyone, my name is Vamsi. Today my role play is just a petrol pump. So I will go and stand there, just see what happens.
My name is Vasini Demus Sai Santosh, and my role play is observer and executor. His name is Suresh, and he is also executor and observer.
My name is K. Samudra. I am playing a role petrol bike.
I am Santosh Kumar playing the role of an electric bike.
My name is Saurabh Kumar and I am going to explain the concept what is going on here. There is a petrol bike and electrical bike. When the petrol bike is going, it suddenly stops due to the lack of petrol, insufficient of petrol. But the electrical bike is going on. Next, by this incident happened, the observers saw this incident and they thought, they discussed. Petrol was suddenly completed. What is the petrol pump? By this incident, they thought something new or they discussed a new project to design something due to the lack of petrol or electricity.
I have a good idea. What is that? The petrol bike has been stopped in front of us, and the electric bike has been forward. So why couldn't we combine the petrol bike and electricity bike that they can help that when the petrol bike stops here, after the sensor movement it will continue the electric bike and trace the direction of petrol pump. Can you do it? Don't think that it is impossible. To get it is easy, but to get it is impossible. That impossible we have to make possible. I think this is a petrol it is of I think 1 ton kgs. It is electric bike consists of 40 to 45 kgs. Petrol bike is invented in 1884 with 3 types, and electric bike is invented in 1897. So I would like to comment this electricity bike battery to petrol bike. So what will happen here means when the person travels in petrol bike, he can stop. He will, if the petrol is insufficient and it will stop here, then the electric bike's battery will give support to the petrol bike from where he stopped to that petrol pump to fill his tank. So
after 1 year.
Again, they are going in a bike which is attached with the petrol bike attached with the battery. And it suddenly stopped there. After pushing the electricity, it will start. But there is a drawback in this. When the petrol is insufficient, the bike is suddenly stopped, and after some time it will start. There is a drawback. If it is stops middle in the traffic, there may be going to some accidents or anything? Could you please?
Imagine guys, it is a petrol bike. It's moving. Then it is insufficient petrol. Then the bike stops here. Imagine it's a battery. It's a battery. Then it gives some backup. Then automatically it will go for some place like petrol pump or petrol power stations. I think you understand now.
So I would like to re-establish this project. So I would like, so what is my drawbacks here? When the bike is stopped here and it takes time to start with electricity. So I would like to put sensor and LCD display. Sensor is this is for when the bike suddenly stops. The sensor will help that it will continue moving while the bike is stopped insufficient of petrol. It will start with electricity up and the LCD displays where the petrol is nearby us with the directions. It helps to the bike
After 2 years.
after 2 years.
Now they are working on it suddenly stop. After it will not stop in the middle, it automatically generates the electricity and it goes.
Now it is continuously moving towards the petrol pump without any break. So I think that I am myself I gained my dream project from not only now, I am even this is my real idea. I am started thinking from my first year. So I think that after 4 years I will surely I think I can make this project. And in previous class we learned that additional skills, communication. We have done it in that place. We all are discussed about the work, how can we do, what can we do, when can we do. And the creativity that I gained and I progress to do it. And confidence, I have the confidence that I can work after 4 years. What I can, planning, we have planned perfectly what we can do. And teamwork, the teamwork we have done now. And control, we are in control. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Actually, we want to share our opinion on this project. Yeah, first, the petrol bike came here and stopped here. That means there is no petrol. Then after an electric bike goes from here. That means it is slow, but it can travel more distance compared to petrol bike. But its speed is low.
Okay, ma'am. In the second case, they were combined the petrol bike and LCD bike. When the petrol is insufficient, automatically the electric bike is supplies the electricity to move to reach its destination. In this, they had a mistake. If petrol is suddenly over, it may stop in the middle of the journey and it leads to some accidents. To overcome this mistake, they will again observe these mistakes and overcome it by putting a sensor in it, by automatically activating the electric and petrol vehicles after the insufficient petrol.
Yes, after that, he given some sensor and no brake speed. That means when he coming, there is no stop. He traveled continually. Finally, when there is no petrol, he reached the petrol pump and he refilled the petrol. Like this project useful.
What we have done in this, when there is a mistake in a team or in teamwork, we have to learn from the mistake and implement some another habits to overcome the mistakes. Thank you.
And we want to give some general bits which are useful in our interviews or etc. and the first bike was invented in 1884. Okay, and the first electrical bike was invented in 1897. Okay, thank you.